Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to program a Chevy Tahoe key fob. Begin by gathering 2 working keys and the new fob, then sit inside with all doors closed. Insert and remove the key from the ignition 6 times, ending with the key in the ignition in the on position to enter programming mode. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob until the door locks cycle, then test the fob. Follow these steps calmly, and you will program your fob in a few minutes. Make sure the vehicle is in accessory or on mode without starting the engine. Insert and remove the key 6 times ending in on, then press and hold lock and unlock on the new fob until the lock cycle. Repeat for additional fobs before exiting programming mode and test each function including lock, unlock, and panic to confirm success. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car how-to content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear audio and hands-free timers while you work on the Tahoe. It's compact, inexpensive, and pairs easily with phones for voice control in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay patient and retry the entire sequence calmly from the start. Confirm the new fob has a fresh battery and that both existing keys are present inside the vehicle. Try the ignition cycling and button press steps again, ensuring you hold the lock and unlock buttons until the lock cycle. If the fob still will not program, a dealer or qualified locksmith can diagnose module or security issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.